John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos. I'm teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Now, today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little banana. Very simple, but I thought of also breaking out to do sometimes some more simple cartoons and some more complex one. This next one is actually going to be very simple. So, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Hey, thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson is make sure you watch the other lessons, more challenging ones, or something that you may not experience or even try to draw. So make sure you check out the videos, and as always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos, and have a great one. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.